If we look at grocery retail store replenishment, I think there are two major rules to be respected. First of all, you have to segregate certain types of products from each other. Secondly, even within one segregation, you can still have certain rules because, for example, you may not start with your eggs and then putting something heavy on top of it. So this means that in between your piece picking and your loading process, you also want a buffer process. And not only you want to buffer, but you also want to sequence. Most customers want them to be supplied in a certain sequence so that you have maximum efficiency in your replenishment within the store. We do have a unique advantage that we cannot only offer the piece picking system, because that's something that most of our competitors can do, but within the same installation, with the same equipment, we can also provide that buffer and sequencing within one system, being able to provide all these features within one system, where within that one system we don't have a single point of failures. I think this is really a key feature to optimize your costs and to be efficient as possible.